What's up guys, it's me, obviously, and I'm so excited for this video. I finally went to Walmart after, I think, like 3 or 4 months. We got a Roomba, if you can hear that. It literally started as soon as I pressed record. Anyways, so we finally went to Walmart, and this is only $5 at Walmart, and, yeah, it's just air dry clay. I have used clay before, like made things with it because I'm in a ceramics class, so like I currently have a project, but I wanted to do this just for fun. So it's literally just 2 pounds of clay, and my inspiration is right here. I really want to make this. I really hope it works out. I'm obsessed with frogs right now and also cows, but this is my mic. It's always here. I just don't trust this microphone anymore that's on the thing because I don't want it to mess up my audio. That's what I'm going to be doing today, but before we start that, I'm going to talk about TEAMI again. But this video is sponsored by TEAMI. If you watched, I think it was my souffle video, I talked about TEAMI and then I'm doing like this whole cleanse, and I'm doing like the skinny and colon cleanse. Not gonna lie, I missed like 3 days, but I mean, really. I actually have my tea right here. This is a new one. I just did this one. Like, I'm reusing the leaves. So, since I reuse the leaves so many times because it actually does work, like, so many times, and I love that about these leaves, I don't know. But, yeah, so you can say I still have a lot left over, even though I've been doing this for 25 days. Not counting the days that I missed. So yeah, and you only need a little bit. I accidentally poured a little too much in that one, but we're not going to talk about it. And then I also have the TEAMI colon one. This one, I did like it. The first day that I drank it, was pretty intense. I was really scared. If you watched my last video, you know. I was like, I don't have a regular schedule. So when that happened, I was concerned for my well-being, but it was just, normal. Yeah, and then a couple of other times it really did clean me out. So if you're looking for that and you don't have a sensitive stomach, you should be good with this, but I really like this one. It comes with 15 tea bags, so this one's really good. To talk about the TEAMI skinny one, this one just has helped me with like bloating, because I do have like, normal bloating. Everybody gets bloated after eating. But normally because I film with my mom almost every day, and most of it isn't necessarily healthy, nor is it like lactose goodness for my lactose intolerant self. But this, I would be very bloated and I would feel like disgusting after we eat half the time. Actually with this, of course not everybody eats how I do, everybody eats differently, but this has helped me with like how I feel like inside, and then just with eating and all of that, I'm not that bloated anymore. So that's what I really like about that tea, and overall the experience was pretty good. I've never done a cleanse before. I take apple cider pills, that's what these are, so that could also be a factor into the cleanse and with the colon tea and all of that. And I drank so much water. That's all I drink. I don't drink soda, I don't drink juice, just because that's how I am. I don't prefer sugary drinks. That's just me. But yeah, so overall the experience was pretty nice, and if you're interested in just wanting to feel clean and like starting fresh, because that's pretty much what it felt like I was just starting fresh. So if you would like to, I have discount codes down below, and I will also put them at the bottom of the screen. I have 2 discount codes. I have a 20% off code for $40 minimum, and I have a 15% off code for a $29 minimum. So if you would like, you could use my codes and let me know if you tried out and if it worked for you. Other than that, let's start. I'm so excited, and I also might make a strawberry one, so I'm gonna back up so you can see what I'm doing. Also, please tell me if this looks weird to you, the top of this. I've been saying this literally since I got it. It looks so weird. It looks like more silver. It looks smaller. I don't know what it is, but it looks funny, and this is the one that I drink almost all the time, so. Okay, so we're just gonna go with it. I'm gonna take off my rings. I would have bought 2, but I thought it was like $10, so I didn't buy 2. I just got 1. This is also from my ceramics class. I just thought I'd use it. Let me take this off. Anyways, this is so much easier to work with than like actual clay. And this is air dry, so I don't have to bake it or anything. But I do have to wait to paint it. I just realized that. I do, huh? This is actually a lot. Is that hair? Yep. Okay. Nice. Do I have to wait to... Wow. Okay. I will be buying another one. I'll probably just buy one online if we don't go for a long time again. But my head is cut off. We're not going to talk about it. Actually, I'm going to check my reference video really quick.
The size that I want, which is about this size, I just get water and smooth out the top. And I also smooth out the edges and down the middle so I don't have any cracks once it dries. And after that, you just kind of lift the side of where you want your frog eyes to be. For the eyes, just pinch that section up.
So based on that tutorial, it's pretty easy. I mean, I know how to like properly like based on what I know from my class, but we're just gonna go with it. Can you see what I'm doing? Barely. Okay. That's my cup of water. I forgot a bowl, but whatever. So you pinch down the middle, and then you grab the sides. I got an A on my ceramics bowl, so just, you know. Okay, my back is gonna hurt after this. Can y'all see me good? So she painted it before it was dry, so that's cool. I can paint it on camera. I thought, because this has to be up like now. In ceramics right now, we're currently making animal sculptures. We haven't started yet, but we're like doing like demos and stuff. But I'm doing a cow, like a laying down cow. So whenever I do that, I'll definitely show you guys. Oh crap, I didn't do the eyes. And how do I do the feet? She didn't show how to do the feet. I'm so confused. Should I scratch that? Should I do the strawberry? Okay, so this is the new reference picture. We're gonna start over. Just because I really like how that looked. Oh, well then wait, I need less clay than this. Ow, look at that. My hair's straight. We're not going to talk about it. I don't like it at the moment. Like I said, we're not going to talk about it. It's picking up all the grain from my clay, like my other clay. If this is a fail, I may sob myself to sleep. She made kind of like an oval. It's a little bit bigger than this, actually. Okay, so the water really helps. Sorry, I just like went completely silent. I just was focusing. Can you all see what I'm doing? Yeah. We're gonna go with that shape. It's pretty close to what she did. There's Chad again. He's down the hall. Okay, so now we're gonna add the eyebrows. Those are a little long. Oh shit, what the hell? Okay, so she did this with like a tool, but we're just gonna go with it with my hand. Anyways, how are y'all? Have I spoken to you since Valentine's Day? I don't think so. Why does hers look so good? I already see this being a fail. Okay, that one looks a lot better. It's a little messy around the edges, but it's alright. Okay. Alright. Okay, next she did like some like design around the edges. I got a pencil or something. Stop placing. Where's my tool? Where? That's not too shabby. The hell? That is not long enough. What did I have to So I don't have this tool that she has to like make it like do that thing. I don't know what she's doing, but we're gonna try. I'm so sorry, y'all. I haven't talked in 10 minutes. It's literally like, this is so therapeutic. I'll probably put some like relaxing music over it. I don't know. But hello. This isn't going to shab. I am kind of proud of myself because I've never done this before. Call it ugly, I don't care, but it's cute. Okay, so this is gonna just be a little news. Hey, oh my god, okay. Call it ugly, but I love it. I'm so proud of myself. Okay, so now I need just the eyebrows and the strawberry thing. Okay, that's gonna look a little wonky, but what can you do? If you are ever like stressed, I highly recommend this. I mean, as long as you're not a perfectionist. I mean, I'm pretty much of a perfectionist, but this is like fun. And like with like my projects and stuff, I never have fun because it's for a project. But at the same time, like, I don't know. This is super relaxing. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start off by doing a flat, because she just shows her like perfecting the stem. So I think what I'm gonna do is make it a flat surface. Bless you. There's one triangle. Now I just gotta make 3 more. And it doesn't even look that good. Oh, good morning. What the heck? So as soon as spoken in forever. I'm so sorry. But it looks good, so that's all that matters to me. So there's my, I don't even know how to place that on here. We're just gonna go with it. After this, I am gonna take a break, like at least for 30 minutes, and then I'll paint it. Whoa, I don't know how long that's been out. So, here's a close-up. I'm really proud of it, honestly. All I have left is to paint it, but next to this reference picture, I think it looks pretty good for never doing this before. Okay, I will be back when this is a little dry and my back doesn't hurt. Okay, I'm back. It's been about 30 minutes since I stopped filming. So now I'm going to paint. I have a bunch of paint from my grandma. I don't know if all of it is good. I don't know what's bad. We're gonna use the top of this because I don't care. Stay if you want to see me paint. It's looking pretty good. Okay, I'm done. I did it, guys. It doesn't look supreme. I'm not like gonna brag or anything. But at the same time, I did pretty good. Oh my god, I didn't do the specs. I'm almost done. Let me just do those really quick. So I might have done way too many. Looks like he's sick. But whatever, I love it. So here's another close-up of it with specks or whatever, seeds. For my first try, it's pretty good. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was just sort of like a relaxing kind of thing. Not meant to be like super talkative. But yeah, and make sure to go check out TEAMI. Just look at it maybe, and if you do purchase something, let me know. And I have all of my links and discount codes below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!